Would you believe this is a car DVR? Yes, this 10.26-inch widescreen car DVR comes packed with amazing features. You can record both front and rear footage, and it even doubles as a reverse camera. Plus, it supports Android Auto, CarPlay, and phone mirroring. Another great feature is that you can easily mount it on your dashboard. Stick with us for a comprehensive review. Stay tuned with SetNFix. I received this amazing car DVR from www.sakane.com. After watching this video, you can decide to purchase this item using the link in the description. And if you want, there are plenty of options to suit your budget. Visit the website and explore the items you need. Now, let's move on to the unboxing. Now, let's take a look at the unboxing of this 10.26-inch widescreen car DVR, which comes in a premium-looking box like this. I'm curious to see what's inside. Shall we start the unboxing? Let's gently pull up the cover and see what's inside. Here's the widescreen car DVR system, and we'll talk more about it in a bit. You'll also find a user manual, an audio extension cable, a cigarette lighter connector to power the device, and a reverse camera. This DVR also comes with a front camera. The user manual includes installation and connection instructions, as well as wiring diagrams, so make sure to read it before installation. Now, the power supply cable is a bit different from usual. It uses a USB-C connector. You can plug the cigarette lighter jack to provide 12-volt power, and with the same wire, you'll also find a USB connector and a GPS cable. In addition, there's a reverse camera, which you can use for both video recording and the reverse view. Let's take a closer look at the DVR unit itself. It features an impressive 10.26-inch display. You'll find a power button to turn the unit on or off. On the back, there's a video recording camera that's adjustable. On the back corner, you'll see connectors for auxiliary out, the reverse camera, and a memory chip slot. The USB-C connector is used for power supply. When connecting the cables, plug the reverse camera jack like this. The red wire from the reverse camera should be connected to the reverse light power cable. When inserting the memory chip, make sure you don't force it in and be careful not to insert it in the wrong direction. Now, you can connect the power supply and, if needed, the audio out cable. And there you have it. You know all the basics to install this car DVR system, but there's even more to learn. I'll explain everything in more detail during the full installation of the unit. When installing it, it's important to find the best spot so it doesn't obstruct your driving visibility or violate local traffic laws. For this demonstration, I'll be installing it here and using some extra double-sided tape since I don't want to rely on the original tape. Before mounting the DVR, I'm going to connect the USB-C power cable to the DVR, and plug the other end into the car's cigarette lighter connector. And don't forget to insert the memory card before you start. Next, we'll hook up the second camera. Route the cable through the beading and mount the camera near the number plate. The red wire here should be connected to the reverse light power cable if you want to use it as a reverse camera too. Now that all the connections are set up, let's power on the car. Here's how the DVR boots up. On the main screen, you'll see options like recording, replay, mobile internet, audio out, and settings. If we go into recordings, you'll see footage from the front camera. The display quality looks good, but we'll also check the video quality in just a bit. When you touch the screen, you'll find several options: recording, capture, lock, MIC, video switching, home, and mobile. To start or stop recording, just tap the recording button. If you want a picture, hit the capture button. The lock button ensures your footage is saved securely. You can turn the microphone on or off and switch between camera views, both front and rear, or rear only. And here's a cool feature: when you change gears, the reverse view takes priority. At the end of this demo, I'll take the car for a test drive so we can check the footage quality in real-world conditions. Now, under mobile internet, there are more features than just a DVR. You can connect Android or Apple devices via CarPlay, Android Auto, or mirror your phone with Apple AirPlay or Android mirroring. You can also connect your phone via Bluetooth, and configure Wi-Fi for mobile connectivity. When connecting Apple CarPlay, you'll first establish a Bluetooth connection like this, and then you can access navigation, messages, audio calls, and more through your car's system. Similarly, you can connect Android Auto, but your Android device must support it. Most phones with Android 13 or later have this feature. Once connected, you'll see Android Auto displayed on the DVR. As I mentioned earlier, you can also mirror your Apple phone. Just connect your Android phone to Wi-Fi, enable it, and use the password from the user manual to connect. Then, go to screen mirroring, and your mobile will be displayed on the DVR. However, you can't control the phone through the DVR, just view the mirrored screen. To mirror Android devices, you'll need to download an app and connect in the same way. Once connected, you'll see the mirrored screen just like this. Next, let's talk about the audio out feature. You can play the audio through the DVR's built-in speaker, or transmit the sound via FM signals. If your car stereo has FM radio, you can pick up the FM signal, or you can use the auxiliary cable to transmit the audio. In the Settings menu, there are more options to configure the unit. You can change the resolution, there's a 4K option and other levels down to 720p. I'll keep mine on 4K. You can also adjust the video loop time, 1, 3, or 5 minutes. I've set mine to 1 minute. The G sensor is for emergency recording if an accident occurs. I recommend setting it to middle, but if you want the highest security, you can turn it off. You can also display a name on the screen. I've set mine to a SetNFix. If you don't want the screen to turn off, you can disable the screensaver mode, like I did here. There's also an option to adjust reverse guide lines. Just tap and hold to move the lines. And you can toggle the reverse camera mirror or flipping settings to suit your needs. You can also change the language here, with several options available. When you first connect, you'll need to adjust the date and time, which will appear on your video footage. If needed, you can format the memory card, just remember to back up important data first. Now, it's time to see how the DVR performs on the road. Let me take the car for a spin, and I'll show you the final footage results. Stay tuned to see how everything looks after the test run. This is how you can see when I am recording with iPhone. You can see the details of my footages. And then we can move to the footages of car DVR. Take a look at the ultimate performance of this car DVR. In this video, you can see both the front and rear footage combined seamlessly. The best part? There's no shaking or blurring, even while driving. I was even able to read vehicle number plates most of the time. In conclusion, I highly recommend this car DVR, especially for vehicles that don't have a built-in dash camera installation. Let's highlight the key features of this incredible car DVR. Dual recording DVR with 4K capability. Apple CarPlay and iPhone mirroring. Android Auto and Android mirroring. Bluetooth connectivity. Easy to install. These features make it a must-have for anyone looking for top-notch performance and seamless connectivity in their vehicle. Just make sure it doesn't obstruct the driver's visibility. In this video, we dive deeper into the features of this car DVR. So, what do you think about this unit? Share your ideas and experiences in the comments below. Check the description for the purchase link, and remember, stay innovative, and stay with SetNFix.